Good morning. Oxytren. I've been drinking it for 2 weeks and I don't have abs yet, so the taste is starting to grow on me. It's gotten a little better. This camera keeps moving. That is Jax's side. Going to Trader Joe's. It's been a long time. I haven't been since March, so I'm excited. This fucking camera keeps just slow. I'm going to Trader Joe's. It's been a long time and I'm excited. I have a list. Hopefully I don't spend too much. But you know what? Life is short, so just get the things you want. Okay, I'm gonna go. I'm so excited. I'm so excited about this. I know. I'm doing a full day of eating a whole week after I bought my groceries, but I will do better next time, I promise. For breakfast, I decided to try something new. Some zucchini in my oatmeal. What? Weird. Why would you do that? I know. I had to give it a try. The result was decent. I'll probably do different toppings next time. This time I just went with granola and agave. And for lunchtime, we had lunch on the beach. So romantic, so cute. My avocado toast was not cute because I forgot my everything but the bagel seasoning in the car, which really upset me. So I tried putting hummus on there and it was alright. Also had carrots, mixed nuts, and tomatoes. We seen these cute ass seals right before we left the beach, which was so awesome. Oh my god, oh my god. Which made me very happy, as you might be able to tell. And then Babe found a second little froggy in the garden, just chilling by the zucchini plant. And I told him he missed the bus because we just took the last one to the creek like 10 minutes ago. What is that, Jackson? Hello. And lastly, for dinner, we had some delicious pasta. Didn't use my own recipe. We got a box from HelloFresh because I wanted some new meal inspo, but it was pretty bomb, and we had that with salad and bread.